Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Before we get into this video, man, I'm hoping that y'all gonna subscribe to the channel, man. If this is your first time checking out the channel, I appreciate you. If you tuned in, you always watching the channel, man, I appreciate the support. On this video, we're doing the Audi A7, the Audi from hell. It's continuing to torture me. Until I get this car going, I won't be able to rest comfortably. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on. All right, man, so we working on Greg, working over here at GR3s, working on my partner's Audi A7. I'm finna go ahead, I'm about to tear this whole front end down, figure out what's going on under here, going all the way back down to the header panel, and trying to figure out what all we can do to make this thing fit tighter and nicer. There's gonna be a few things may still be off a little bit. I'm trying to make everything a little bit tighter. I'm trying to get this tighter, get this line better. I'm trying to see, do it like that grill's popping out. It's not popping out. It's just assessing everything. So goes for the headlights. This right here is for the, take that, 2, 3, 1, 2. I know some stuff over here on this wheel well that I might take loose. A couple screws in here. One or two of them up here at the top. So man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm finna get to it. Yes, sir. So I'm just remembering how everything went. It's a lot of different type of fasteners and star notes, these star notes right here, and then they got these pieces that go with it. So I'm trying to make sure that I keep everything together and tight. So anything that's loose, I'm pulling it off. Pull these off, so I ain't gotta worry about them. This one on here the wrong way. I'm wrestling with it. Whew, these things are complicated on this daggone car. I wish I could say that it was more simpler, but this is using basic tools. You're gonna need a T27 star note. Let me see. T27, 11 millimeter. I'm using this on a quarter drive. Enough Phillips head, flat head, and your clip popper, and you'll be able to tear it down. Now I'm gonna have to be dealing with these rails, so I'm gonna take these rails off. I know I'm gonna have to use some air on it. Those bolts is big as hell. Taking this rail off, it's definitely that bolt. I remember I had to take that bolt off. I tightened up these things. I'm gonna take this off. Let me see what else. Because all this got to come out for the header panel, and so that right there, that bracket is broken on this side. As you can see right here. So I'm gonna have to get a bolt for that. What else? I'm gonna have to finish taking off these splash guards and everything. Make sure I got everything for them. Goodness, this shit finna be some work. But it's too far for me to turn back now. So man, shit, y'all stay tuned to see how I get myself out this situation. Yes, sir. Today is day 2. It's kind of like yesterday was sunny as hell and hot, 80 some degrees here in Fort Worth, Texas. And what is it? It's like overcast right now. It seems like it's gonna rain. It's kind of cloudy. I'm gonna turn y'all around though. So, oh man, yeah. So I'm trying to beat the rain. Right now I'm removing the header panel. I'm gonna take anything that may be attached to it or close to it. I'm gonna slide this intake out the way. I'm gonna come back, hit that right there with the flat head. Sometimes I'll be forgetting I had a camera. I just be so caught up in getting this stuff done. I removed some of the bolts already. This side didn't have any bolt because that piece was broken. So I definitely need to add that on the inventory list real quick. Bolt. This bracket is broken. You know, that's why a lot of it was hanging down, he was telling me. So I gotta remove that. There's one bolt right there. Remove that. Remove that bolt. Anything that's attached to this, I'm trying to just pull the radiator out. New header panel, and then we're gonna do the intercooler. So yeah, as you see, the intercooler's pushed all up. I've never replaced one of them. I know I got a new one, so I'm gonna throw y'all on the stand and I'm gonna get to it. Man, it's starting to rain. Oh man. Go ahead and get ready to put this back up. Took that right there. Oh man, so I got to a good stopping point, I believe. But it's not completely tore down. Locking on my toolbox, put this back up in my truck. Man, oh man. So I went and got a few things I need to do my frame, continue cleaning the frame. Got me some Purple Power, a $50 down water hose. Got me a spray bottle, and I got me some duct tape because I'm gonna wrap the plastic around the places that I already painted. and then I'm gonna power wash the hell out of it. If I do tear up some of the frame, it's okay. This is that bracket from the Audi and the bolt that he need for the other side. So those 2 parts. I'm gonna go and talk to Greg real quick. And I'm gonna get back with y'all. It's all loose. A lot of these things were broken in that first original accident. Slapped back together and sold to my partner, and then he wrecked it. So I'm going back behind all that. This intercooler is definitely from his last accident, I believe. I'm not sure. All I know is I'm gonna put a new rail on this side. Try to fix all the brackets. Oh man, it's been a lot. So I got my mentor. He helping me on this one. I'm just scared of these little hoses right here. These clamps they have on the radiator. So I'm waiting for him to come help me do that. He just picked up some parts or something. But yeah, this is where we at with it. The rain, it finally let up for a little bit, but it's still cloudy. And you can see everything over there, man. All kinds of stuff. AC, all kinds of junk. Have to wrap up that hose. Man. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna figure it out. It's a bunch of shit under here, but I'm gonna figure it out. Yes, sir. See what he got going. Man, the legend. Getting it together. Working hard, man. You ain't got no time to be wasting. Got that going. Look at Greg out here acting like he working. Man, well, your dad ain't got nothing to say for the camera. Get that shit away from me. What you trying to do though?
Replacing this corner.
Do you need some help?
Sure, yeah.
All right, well, let me go ahead and go over here real quick. I'm gonna do that what you taught me to do. Let me see. So, as usual, I made a mistake. The line at the bottom wasn't connected, so it spilled out a lot. Filled it up. Tell me to cut it on. Let it build up some pressure. And from there, we'll see. So I'm gonna start it up. Let it run for a minute. Let's see what it's doing out here. That's an overflow, being as windy. Got a little bit of smoke coming. Nothing major. Just this little hose right here. y'all get an idea what's going on. Get these little bolts, load that in. The head support, nice and tight. So, I think this one pretty good now. Man, the wires is laying low so I can drive it. So we almost there. Y'all stay tuned. Day 3. This hole's got a little leak. This right here. I had to take that line loose so I can move everything out the way. Tap this radiator down a little bit more. Tap down in there. Feel like that might be bent. Make sure everything nice and tight. Snapped it in right here, the intercooler. But I went to O'Reilly's. AutoZone just now. I usually like going to O'Reilly's. Got this. I know I need some oil antifreeze. Still can see the intake knot on there. We're not really driving it, so all the hoses are back connected. These clamps are kind of crazy, but I got them all back on there. On the radiator too. Let's see what that line goes to. This line is in wires everywhere, so I'm constantly checking. So, finna go see what Greg got to say. I know he's busy, so I'm gonna get back with y'all.